Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about first Ryzen HX370 mini PC. So friend, the EVO-X1 is confirmed to include LPDDR5X 7500 memory and is currently offered with 32 GB capacity, and user can add 2 PCI 4.0 SSD in M.2 2280 form factor and conventionally placed at the bottom for easy replacement. And however, it's worth nothing that the memory is soldered on the board, and so upgrading or replacing it won't be possible, and the device is surprisingly compact, nearly matching the Intel NUC 4x4 form factor, measuring just 110 into 107 into 63 mm with 0.7-liter chassis. And despite its size, the PC pack two fans, a vapor chamber which promise SSD temperature of 50 Celsius and DDR4 memory temperature of 52 Celsius, and in TDP of 70-watt configuration. And interestingly, there is no mention of APU temperature, but its cooling system claimed to deliver 25% better thermal than a single fan design. And additionally, the device supports OC-Link and USB 4, allowing for external GPU connectivity, and another network feature a DisplayPort 2.1 possible, making this the first mini PC to include this connector. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.